In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the cup and handle chart pattern, quick and easy. This is a simple walkthrough, perfect if you're just getting started on TradingView or if you want to speed up your charting process. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to type so you can start using this pattern in your own analysis right away. First, make sure you're on a chart in TradingView. It can be any market or time frame you want to analyze. Once your chart is open and you're comfortable with the layout, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. This is usually located in the main toolbar above your chart area. Go ahead and click on indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools, scripts, and community indicators live, so you'll be coming back here very often as you grow your skills. When the indicators window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. Instead of scrolling through the long list of options, we're going to use that search bar to quickly find what we need. Click on the search field and type the word cup. You don't need to type the entire pattern name. Just cup is enough for TradingView to filter the relevant results. As you type, you'll notice a list of indicators and patterns appearing below. Look through the search results for the one labeled cup and handle chart pattern, or very close to that wording. This is the tool that automatically detects or helps you visualize the classic cup and a handle formation on your chart. Once you see it in the list, simply click on it. After clicking, the indicator will be added to your chart right away. You might see highlighted areas, lines, or markings that represent where the pattern is being detected based on the price action. Take a moment to zoom in and out to see how it looks on different sections of the chart. If you want to customize it, you can usually do that by hovering over the indicator's name at the top of the chart and opening its settings. There you can adjust colors, visibility, or sensitivity depending on how you like your charts to look. If you plan on using TradingView more seriously and want extra features like more indicators on a single chart, additional alerts, and improved tools, consider upgrading to a paid plan. You can use my affiliate link in the description to sign up for TradingView Pro. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and unlocks more powerful charting options for your trading or investing. And that's it. You've just added the cup and handle chart pattern to your TradingView chart in a few quick steps.